name, madam?
Susila.
Susila, how many years you had this problem?
I don't know, until last 3 years then I knew it.
Last 3 years you knew it.
Dentist, everything.
Huh?
Went to the dentist.
Dentist. That means nobody told you.
No.
No one sitting beside you.
Yes,
Children,
sound,
family.
no, when I go for holiday, my colleagues
That's all.
hear some sound.
Sound. Waiting, huh? So now there's a cord coming to the mouth. Cord. Coming from this lifetime? No. From a past life. It's been there since you're born, madam. Okay? This man coming here, same thing. Cords in the mouth. This lifetime? No. Coming from the past life. Been there 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, the day you're born. So that's what happened, huh? So you start. Sometimes you bite every day, sometimes you bite once in a while. So all is gone. So what you need to do now, both of you have the affirmation of forgiveness. They forgive you whatever wrong that you may have knowing or unknowing done in your past life. It's very important for them to read forgiveness. You must read forgiveness to let it go. Okay? Okay, somebody give me one copy first. Madam, someone give me a copy first. Go to page number 7. Page number 7. You see, the people in the medical field, they give all kinds of names. But no cure. All kinds of names. This name, that name, they're all fantastic names. But they can't see. Okay? Now put on there the bracket. Hey, where the pinhole glasses at? Promote பண்ண அது கொஞ்சம் பொழைக்கிறல்ல போடுங்க அது மேடம் இதா சூப்பர் you can see now it improves your eyesight என்ன மேடம் யார் வாங்க கொடுங்களா put on there to my past life connection to my past life connection. See, it's going. This won't go. This will not go. It's a past life connection. It's very, very strong connection that both of them have. All connections gone, madam. Should be okay. But what you do every night before you sleep, read first, huh? For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. 7 days before you sleep, you read. Huh? Then tell us in the group how you feel. Okay, madam? Thank you very much. Done. So we don't know.